In this video, I'll be talking about important intraday trading discipline, what you must follow to make a good profits and avoid your losses. Okay, so these are the discipline which will help you. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about important intraday trading discipline, what you must follow to make a good profits and avoid your losses. Okay, so these are the discipline which will help you to become a good trader. So I'll be talking about 5 to 6 important tips in this video. So watch this video till the end to get all the knowledge about this and learn a good discipline about intraday trading. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel, because I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos like this and intraday trading strategy, tips, tricks and a lot of things about stock market and intraday trading in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having loss in the market, want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly, you can join my course. I do provide NSA and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. All the details are in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. Here you can see earning proof and feedback from my clients after taking the course. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly. You can watch all of these things with the proof here. And also people who had loss have recovered the loss and now they're in a profitable side. If you're interested to make money constantly like this and learn, you can definitely join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So before I show you the earning proof, I want to tell you what are the benefits and things you get once you join my course. Okay, so after you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading, because I'll be teaching you my 95% secrets and accurate strategies without any indicators. I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. Also, I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. And also, I'll be guiding you in the live market. Okay, so these are the things you'll be able to get once you join my course. Okay, so by being said that, here you can check out all the earning proof with the ledgers. They're the recent and latest one. So you can go through all of the ledgers and see how my clients are earning constantly after joining with me. And also, there are a lot of feedback messages from my clients. You can check that out. And also, many of my clients has won the Zerza 60 days challenge certificates. Even those has been displayed here. And also, one of my clients who joined my course made a constant profit for 5 months and he has bought his own new car. Even that message has been displayed. So you can go through all of these things. If you're interested and motivated to make profit constantly like this, you can definitely join us today. And also, here you can see the feedback messages. So you can go through all of these things. Okay, so if you're motivated to make profit constantly like this, you can join us and I'll be guiding you how to make like this constant profits. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the intraday trading discipline, what you need to follow to make constant profit. Okay, so intraday trading discipline. So in this video, we'll be talking about the intraday trading discipline, what you actually want to follow to become a good and successful trader. So first thing is understanding the market situation. So many of the people do this wrongly, because when the market opens at 9:15, you have to sit and analyze what is happening in the market. Okay, or see the yesterday's data or anything like that and see what's happening in the market. Like, do I have any event today, like any news is there on Nifty or something? So understand what's happening in the market and according to that, set your mindset to do the trading. Okay, so understand the market situation, how it's going on. Okay, as soon as the market open at 9:15, don't go to trade. So give a little time. So if you're a beginner, give a little bit of time to settle down the volatility. As you know, once the market opens, there'll be a lot of volatility, so you should just give it some time to settle it, and once the market is settled, then only go to trade. So understand the market situation, what is happening in the market as soon as it opens, and observe the stocks before you trade. Okay, so once you observe the stock movement and how it's happening, at which side it's going, then only place the trade orders. Okay, so understand the market situation, then you will understand it's happening. Okay, so that's the first tip. You should understand the market situation, what's happening. Second thing is following the market flow and the market trend. So as you guys know, the market will not be in a one single side. It will be going in a zigzag way. That is, the market will go up, come down, go up, come down. All this thing will be happening in the market, as you guys already know, as you guys have already experienced it. So what you should know is, you should follow the market trend. Okay, you should go with the flow. You can't be in one side and watch. So if the market is going upside, you should change the direction. If the market is going downside, you should change your direction. So always be sharp and be clever and smart in trading. Okay, so follow the market and follow the market trend whichever side it's going on. So make sure you observe the market, what it is happening when you're trading. Okay, so don't just keep on seeing one or two stocks what you want to trade. Also just keep an eye on a market so that you'll understand what is happening, and also you can get an alerts on what is happening in the market, the news and all the stuff, if you are using a money control app in your phone and all these things, because that will help you to know if suddenly if any news is releasing, it will update you and you can be safe on that. Okay, so following the market trend and flowing with the market is the second tip. Okay, and the third tip is panic and greed. So don't ever trade with the greed and a panic. Okay, so panic is that like suddenly you see a stock jumping up and you buy it, it's a panic and in a hurry. So don't ever do that. Only when your trading setup or a trading strategy is telling to buy, then only buy it. Okay, and don't be in a greed, that is buying at some level and expecting a large profit. So don't ever do that. Always have a fixed profit and stop loss in your mind. So every day you'll make only that much of profit or only that much of stop loss. Okay, so don't ever expect a large profit. Okay, so if you're expecting a large profit and you're with a greed, you'll end up with losses. So don't ever do like that. So accept a good profit, a decent profit, not a higher with a greed. Okay, so and also don't be panic, don't do trades in panic, like don't be in a fear of losing a trade or something. So always be in a calm and a peaceful manner before you're trading. So follow the rules and that will help you. Don't be panic and greed. And money and risk management, so this is a very important part. You should always manage your money and the risk. Okay, so many people don't follow a good money management and a a risk management system. So if you are having a trading setup, make sure it's a risk free, and also you are keeping a good money management in that. For example, you should keep 1:2 risk reward ratio or 1:3. Okay, or 1:1 is also fine, but don't keep like 2:1 3:1 like that. Okay, so always make your risk less and the reward more. For example, 1:2 or 1:3, that's a decent one. So don't keep more than that, like 1:5 and all these things, because those things will not work out. Okay, so do a thing which is reality. Okay, so do the things which are reality, don't expect the wrong things. Okay, keeping the stop loss, so always keep the stop loss whenever you're doing a trade, whatever the trade you're doing on, even if it's a paper trade, make sure you keep a stop loss. So without stop loss, if you're trading, it's very dangerous. So always keep a stop loss and trade correctly. So always keep a fixed target and the fixed stop loss. Okay, don't over trade, don't be a greedy. So follow the rules. Okay, follow your trading strategy and the setup. So if you don't have a good trading strategy, you can definitely join my course. In my course, I'll be guiding you how you can make this constant profit as I shown you earlier, and also I'll be teaching you my secret strategies, and also in the live market I'll be guiding you how you can make the money constantly. So you can see the earning proof as I shown you in the starting of this video, how my clients who had joined are now making constant profit and they're recovering their loss. So even if you're in a problem, or if you're a beginner, if you want to learn how to make constantly profit like this, you can definitely join us today to earn constantly. So these are the little tricks and tips what I wanted to share regarding the discipline of intraday trading. So hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and also go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks and a lot of things in my channel. So go inside it and watch all the videos and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made and what stock we traded with, what profit we made with every single day with the profit proof. So if you're interested to make money constantly like this, you can definitely join us today. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.